Are you tired of that endless hustle for the one big idea? Well, today, we're going to dive into a totally different playbook for digital growth. It's one that argues the real secret to success? Well, it might not be innovation at all, but something else entirely.
You know that feeling, right? You're just grinding away, trying to invent the next big thing, and it feels like everybody else has some kind of shortcut. It is so frustrating. But what if the problem isn't that you lack brilliant ideas? What if the problem is the entire game you're playing?
Okay, let's just put a number on this. $31,000. Seriously, think about that. What would hitting a number like that in a single month mean for your business or your side hustle? Now, here's the real kicker. That 31 grand? Someone generated that in a single month with literally zero new ideas. This wasn't about some stroke of genius or invention. It was about something way more accessible. And that's exactly what we're about to break down.
So you're probably asking, how is that even possible? Well, it all starts with a huge mindset shift. It's about embracing what this playbook calls the imitation advantage.
The core idea behind that 31 grand is called digital product arbitrage. Now, this isn't about, ripping off a logo or a brand. Not at all. It's about finding a proven system, like a successful sales funnel or a viral content strategy, and then meticulously reverse engineering the entire machine for yourself. And here's the formula. It's so simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Okay, step 1, you become a detective. You find what's already out there making bank. Step 2, you're an architect. You don't just copy the paint job, you replicate the entire system, the traffic sources, the conversion methods, the whole shebang. And step 3, and this is crucial, you're an athlete. You just execute with speed. You forget about endlessly testing new ideas that might just go nowhere.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? You do not have to be an ideas person to win. Success can be a process, a system that you can actually learn and apply. And for anyone who's ever felt stuck, that is a total game changer.
Okay, so if replication is the mindset, what's the engine that actually powers all this? It's automation. This is how you get an almost unfair advantage in today's world. Let's see how this really works.
And look, we're talking way beyond just scheduling social media posts. Modern AI can literally be your content factory, your SEO expert, and your virtual assistant all rolled into one. Just imagine an AI churning out daily TikToks for you or handling all of your tedious email outreach. That's the level we're at right now.
Now, when it comes to tools, you've got options. Think of it like this. Zapier is your easy-to-use, super simple Swiss Army knife. Make, that's for the visual thinkers out there, the people who love flowcharts. And then you have NA10. That's the absolute powerhouse for anyone who wants total, granular control. There's really a tool for every style. And get this, the barrier to entry for this stuff, it's completely crumbled. You don't need to be a coder anymore. There are apps right now that can build incredibly complex automation workflows just from a simple sentence written in plain English. And it can do it in like 17 seconds. This kind of power is available to everyone now. Of course, to get the most out of these amazing tools, you've got to know how to talk to them. These 6 patterns are basically your cheat code to getting expert-level results instead of that generic, fluffy stuff. It's all about telling the AI who it should be, how it should think, and exactly what you want that final output to look like.
So, what's the payoff for all this automation? What does it actually do for your bottom line? How about a 95% profit margin? Yeah, that's a real number from an AI-driven TikTok affiliate strategy. When you can automate almost all the work, the profits can be, well, they can be astronomical. All right, we've got the mindset, replication, we've got the engine, automation. So now, let's get into the playbook itself. These are some specific, cutting-edge strategies you could literally go out and replicate right now. So let's talk local SEO. The old way, and you've seen this, was just spamming your business info across a million different directories. The new way, the smart way, is called data layering. Instead of just listing your info, you embed it right into your website's code, creating this powerful, interconnected web that Google's algorithm just absolutely loves. It's so much more effective. Here is another killer strategy for efficiency. Instead of trying to create 30 completely new pieces of content every month, what if you just created one great piece and then systematically repurposed it? A single tweet can become a video, which becomes a newsletter, which becomes an Instagram carousel, you see? You're maximizing the heck out of your best ideas with minimal extra effort. Now, for anyone in the self-publishing world, listen up, because this is a critical update. The Amazon KDP algorithm has changed big time. It's not just about keywords and covers anymore. The crucial thing to understand is that Amazon is now tracking actual reader engagement.
How much of the book are people reading? Are they highlighting things? Are they returning it? All of this matters now.
So what this means is that the whole strategy has to shift. The goal isn't just to get the click and make the sale anymore. You're no longer just selling books, you're selling engagement. That right there is the new currency on Amazon.
Okay, this slide is a major reality check for all the video creators out there. We pour so many hours into slick editing and finding the perfect visuals, but the data is crystal clear. 70% of what makes a video go viral is the script. Your words are so much more powerful than your visuals. So let's bring all this together. The core takeaway from this entire playbook is this: stop stressing about being the next great inventor. Seriously. Instead, focus on becoming a master of execution. Find the systems that are already proven to work, and then use these modern tools to execute them better, faster, and more efficiently than anybody else.
And that's the question I want to leave you with. As you plan your next move, just ask yourself, are you looking for a brand new idea that might not even work? Or are you looking for a proven system that you can intelligently replicate and make your own? The answer to that, well, it could change everything for you.